Done there. Big Black Matical Favor. Hey, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Country Dance. Big up the dance them. Family. So without any further delay, we're gonna jump into that one. Big up the people them who forward and stick around, and you don't know, like the vibes. But let's get to now and I'm like, see what go on. Country Dance, big up on the bomb, class FJ. Like a go. How do you selection videos? That went too fast. We're not past that. We can't read so fast. Pac-Man TV, big up.
Yo, Vanessa got the sauce.
Nice.
Yo, I got a gang with me. Only the closest, only my brothers, only the family. Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like, I got a gang with me. Only the closest, only my brothers, only the family. Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like,
I got a bad B tryna throw that back. Arch for man. I fly them packs like Peter Pan. Turn captain, hook if I don't see bands. Source that pack from the plug, I'm taking a cut. Duty stand, and free my G's from the can.
Man say, yo, man say, I'm taking that cut. Duty stamp. Him and the middle man. So, uno have to pee up. Blood clot pee up.
Ain't nothing but P's and bands when they land. 3 L's, 3 TP2, 3 Scott, 3 L dot and 3 Mew.
Freedom!
Might do it like Pac-Man, how I'm trying to Pac-Man, man, just pull up and shoot. I don't know how they talk on my name, some unknown use. Who the fuck are you? And Hood's got times 2 true, say had to give man the golden blue.
I got a gang with me. Only the closest, only my brothers, only the family. Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like,
Fuck her all night, then move to a friend. All but on me, so the car's got a blend.
Fuck her, I like that move to the... Yo, why me love pick up the bar them with them? Yo, continue.
she can handle me. It's like,
Fuck her all night, then move to a friend. All but on me, so the car's got a blend. Bands on my wrist got me starting a trend. Take a trip country, I'm known in the ends. Can't chat on me, I got cases pending. Wanna see him on the news, hashtag trending. Got skills with a sword, I fencing. Man, them more chill, they keep on offending. If you're not gang, you ain't coming through. They wanna get me down, jump in a queue. I sleep with my blade and I call on my booze. Slice up raw like I'm making a stew. I've lived it, now rap it. Still got cats asking, can I pattern? 100 rats got me splashing up patterns. Had cats walking, but now it's just fashion.
I got a gang with me. Only the closest, only my brothers, only the family.
Big up the family them and they run them. Big up on the team. Country Dance, big up on the team. Cause you don't know, you know, after have a great team behind, you know. With a management team or they want them. Like the fact that everybody at the table like eat together. Everybody loyal to each other. Make it stay that way. Don't break it. You see me? Because that's the best way. Unity. Is it?
Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like, fling on my black tracksuit, black ski mask, jump in the black Astra, 2 litre, all you're gonna hear is rock, man, burn them clothes, head back to my yard, no way.
Y'all give it too much, you know, brother. Y'all give it too much. Me G. Black tracksuit, black ski mask, jump in the black Astra. Anytime you pull up on your ear, pop, then you burn the clothes and throw it to it. Yeah, give the police that. That's nothing more.
Black Astra, 2 litre, all you're gonna hear is rock, man, burn them clothes, head back to my yard. No way can I take this hoe to the shard. We can get right to it right now in this car. How's this girl trying to say that I'm toxic? But same time trying to take off her bra. Man, pull on her hair, I'm pushed on her head, more tongue, stop using your teeth.
Girl, I say, yo, you're toxic, but yet you take off bra. Toxic, you're so toxic in our country. You're so toxic. Yo, taponize man, I'm team man. You see, man, take off your bra, man. One and man, you take off your bra, you know. One and I take off the bra. Click. You have to be experienced to do that too, you know. You have to be experienced to do that. 1 hand, 2 finger. Click. You have to know about these bras, man. You have to know. Hey!
But same time trying to take off her bra. Man, pull on her hair, I'm pushed on her head, more tongue, stop using your teeth. She ain't for me, if she fucks with them boy, man, kick her ass back to the streets. This whack come big.
How Who for sister that him just do that to a while ago? Who for daughter that him just do that to a while ago? Who for niece that? Who for cousin that? Who for best friend that? But God, man. Only if you treat the girl them better though.
Your teeth, she ain't for me and she fucks with them boy man, kick her ass back to the streets. This rap come big like Sean, come black like Storm's, not little like Reese. And we my man, no rider, I can't like that man like Sean, come black like Storm's, not little like Reese. And we my man, no rider, I can't like that man them praise. I got a gang with me, only the closest, only my brothers, only the family. Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like, I got a gang with me, only the closest, only my brothers, only the family. Only if you knew my side of the story, you wouldn't be mad at me. Only 1 or 2 times are you mad, I don't think she can handle me. Hey yo, I don't think she can handle me. It's like
Bad. I like this. Like this. Yeah, big up the dancing. Nice, I like this. But dog, gonna treat the girl them better than that, Steve. I'm not telling a lie. Even though some of the girls them not even deserve them thing, because some of the girls them too free. Them too free. Yeah, them too free. Big up the girls them still. They don't know anything. I love the girls them. Zine. This is because you don't. If you enjoyed, please like for the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. And don't forget to tell a friend Send me over here react. Yeah, outside. And the girl them outside. Peace out.